Hello, it's Owen here with another video of how to use a booking plugin for booking Chandler's house. So this is going to just go in a wee tutorial type format. I've logged in already on one tab here, and there's the front end of the site here. So the booking plugin, which is appointments here, I have set it up already for the sensory room, and we need to do the same thing for the Chandler's house booking. So the first thing I did was to create a product for the purposes of booking. So I'm going to go and edit this product now. Just bear with me till it loads. Okay, it shouldn't really take that long. Anyway, whenever we get here, I'm going to go to the product data area and just tell it that it's a booked product. So booked products are hidden from view and only used for the booking services, which is what we want. So you need to tell the system how much a booking for Chandler's house costs. So £50, and this is just description, more description, featured image over here, and what category it's in. So we can leave that as uncategorized because, as it says in the pop-up here, booked products are hidden from view and only used in booking services. Right, great. The rest of the stuff is all fine. So we've changed the Chandler's house booking to be a booked product, and I'm going to hit update on that. So a way to describe this would be create the product first. That's the first step, because without the product, the people can't buy anything, and the buying is linked to the booking. So it all links together. Okay, next step, go to the appointments section. I can see we've a few different calendars there, so let's go to the calendars. So each service will need its own calendar. So CHINDLES, Chandler's house booking. I can just call it Chandler's house and assign this. I'll assign this to Sam and add the new calendar. That way different calendars can be assigned to different users. Brilliant. So we can then go to the appointments and see the different rooms now. So Chandler's house. So there are no slots available, and we'd like to add some. So you notice it took us to, within appointments, it took us to the settings, and we want to edit the time slots for Chandler's house. So I'll very quickly do this. I'll just do one time slot and you can edit the rest. I'm going to add a time slot in, and I'm going to say it's available from 1 p.m. until 5 p.m. and there's only one space available. If there's two spaces available, put in 2. If there's 34 spaces available, you can put in 34. I would only use one space available for one particular time slot. Once you click that time slot, hit OK, and we can see then you can add this again, and it will have the same parameters in the input boxes. So it's handy if you have the same slots across, like per se, the whole week. You can add them all in. Where else can we go? Add the time slots. Okay. Add the time slots and continue doing that. So I'll only just do it for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. As I say, you can go over here to Saturday and add in bespoke time slots. So it only is available from 2 to 6 on Saturday. Okay. Then I want to go over to our short codes and display a custom calendar. That would be this one. I'm going to copy that. Now, over on the services Chandler's House main page, there we go, it's loaded. So in the event space booking, I want to add in the calendar in here. So let's edit this portfolio entry. And I know in the tab section, in the event space booking, I want to paste in this. I'm going to take that out. Hit save on that, hit save on that, and hit update. As I say, once this is set up, you don't really have to do very much. So the event space booking, now we have the possibilities of booking an appointment. So if I book the appointment, you can request the appointment. So that's how the calendar works. There is one small step to this as well. Just see where that are. Yeah, here for the Chandler's House, we need to add in a product, and that's going to be the £50 Chandler's House booking for 4 hours. Make it required and hit save. We'll go back over here and just refresh the calendar now. So the first step set up the calendar with the available slots. The second step we did there was to add in the £50 booking. So now whenever the person hits request appointment, it should take them to the checkout page, where they can complete the checkout process. I'll just put some information in here and proceed to payment. Cash on delivery is the only payment option at the minute. So if I was to go ahead and place the order, it will book in that slot, so no one else can take the slot on June the 28th. So that completes the tutorial and the steps on how to set up booking calendars and time slots for individual services. We'll just have one last look. Chandler's House, event space booking, and we can see now that the one on the 28th has a colour indicating that it cannot be booked. But if we go over into July, yes, all the other slots are available. I hope that helps. Thank you.